Hey guys, welcome back. Thanks for tuning in. So anyways guys, we're gonna make a nice cauliflower white sauce dish. So we have the onions here, they're rolling to a boil. I'm just searing them up. I'm just trying to get them nice and I would say golden brown. Not too overcooked, but nice golden brown. I will do a little dash of oil here guys, so I'm gonna squirt that in. Perfecto. And the next thing that's going guys, after I get that all crispy up, we have to burn off the water too, so make sure guys you're gonna put oil and then you're gonna take your time and put it on low guys, and it's gonna burn off all of the water. And then you're gonna get your cauliflower here, you're gonna put that in the water, you're gonna cook it till the cauliflower is not that hard. And then after that we're gonna make our cheese sauce, and the cheese sauce we're gonna combine both of these together, and it's gonna be really good guys, so stay tuned because we're gonna be cooking this dish up. Okay, guys, so we have our onions, they're getting nice and brown shortly guys. So while that's going, we put on a pot of boiling water and we are gonna basically steam our cauliflower. We're not gonna boil it guys, because when you boil it that gets most of the nutrients out. So if we steam it guys, it is more healthier for you guys. I bet most of you guys didn't know that, but that's how we're gonna do it, okay? So we're gonna get this going. When it comes to a roaring boil, we're gonna put our cauliflower in, we're gonna put a lid on top, and then we'll get that all ready. After that, we're gonna combine the cauliflower with the onion, and we're gonna get that nice white sauce on top with cheese. We're gonna get some salt, pepper, we're gonna get some milk in there, and we're also gonna get some, I'll say, cream cheese to thicken up that sauce there. And we can also put some nutmeg in there. We can put a little bit spices, and maybe we might put some paprika, or you can also put some parsley too. So you guys stay tuned for the next clip. Okay guys, so make sure you scrape the bottom because you guys don't want to have any onions burning. That is a big no-no. But as you see guys, it is getting there. The onions are almost getting brown, and that's what you guys want. You want a nice golden brown onion. So here right now, we're gonna turn that on low for now, let it simmer. The water here, it is boiling guys. So now I'm gonna add my cauliflower to the steamer. So you guys can get these steamers anywhere. Basically, it's an herb pot that has holes in the bottom, which the steam can come up and cook your cauliflower. So we're gonna wanna pour half of it in. I wouldn't say all of it, but just half. So we're gonna have to do these in different portions here. And this cauliflower, it takes probably, I would say, 10 to 20 minutes to steam. So we're gonna put everything like that there in, and we still got more to do guys. We might even have to do 3 rounds, but make sure guys you have enough water so you don't, you know, the pot doesn't dry up and then it burns the pot. So there we go guys, so steam's coming up, the cauliflower's on top. Put the lid on guys and let that simmer guys, okay? And I would recommend put a bigger lid on top because you don't want it to build up pressure like a pressure cooker. So if you have a lid like that, that's good. There's gonna be steam inside, and then also some steam is gonna come out through the side. That is good guys. So we're gonna wanna turn back up guys to, I'd say, medium heat for the onions here. After that guys, we're also gonna have to get a pan, and we're gonna have to make the white sauce for this dish here. And that white sauce is gonna consist of basically milk, pepper, salt, nutmeg, some parsley, also some cream you guys could use if you want. If you guys don't have cream, but you can use cream cheese, because cream cheese is the same thing as cream. It's just a thicker form of milk. Okay, so we're gonna just get all this ready guys. After that, we're gonna need a nice pan to put all this in. So I'll grab the pan. I grabbed the pan here. This is the one I'm gonna be using, a nice clear glass one. It's really nice because you can spread out the cauliflower in it, and you can have the onions too. So guys, we see here guys, we're making progress. The cauliflower is now boiling, it's cooking, it's steaming out guys. The next thing we're gonna be working on is basically the sauce. So we're gonna just have to get everything all cooked up, and we're gonna work on the sauce next guys, okay? So stay tuned for that portion. Okay guys, we're back at it again now. We got our cauliflower, it's almost done steaming guys. The way I like to check it guys is I actually like to grab one out of here and just test it with the fork. You know, it's pretty soft right now, but I like my cauliflower just to be a little softer. I don't like it too crunchy. I want it like nice and soft, so when you eat it, it goes good with the sauce. anyways, we have the onions here. They're getting nice and brown here, so that's perfect. Okay, now we got to start off with the main sauce, guys. So our sponsor today is Tree Stella. So anyways, guys, this is a cream cheese, and it's natural cream cheese, guys, and they're very new in Canada, so they're just trying to get out there. But we would like to thank the sponsor Tree Stella for today, for helping us create this video. So anyways, guys, we're gonna get started with this sauce here. We're gonna add some milk in here, guys. We're gonna add some cheese, and then we're gonna add some cream cheese sponsored by Tree Stella. So I'm gonna get that into the pan right now. We have all of our ingredients in here for now. We got the cheese, we got the milk, and we got our cream cheese, guys. So for now, I just put 1 pack of cream cheese in, and that is basically, I'll show you the box here again. It's 200 grams, so it's pretty good, but I can add another one. And I'm even thinking, guys, I'm gonna add this one too eventually, because this one is one with herbs and spices, and I think that one will actually do good. So there's a lot going on. We're gonna turn that one, guys, on low. We're gonna let that simmer till everything melts in. Now here we have our cauliflower. Our cauliflower is done, so we're gonna want to shake that out, guys, and we're gonna want to put that in our dish for now. There we go, guys. Perfect. And now we're gonna do the same with our other batch here. So we have more, guys. We're just gonna put more in, and we're just gonna let it simmer and let it do the same thing. So we're gonna let that sit. Perfect. Now we have our onions here. Our onions, they are actually getting nice and brown. You see that, guys? Even on the bottom, it is getting a little burnt. But it's okay. We want our onions to be nice and brown, but we don't want to burn them, okay? Make sure, guys, while I'm doing all this, you want to get your lid and put it back on top. So you're going to want to mix the onions. You're going to want to mix your sauce. Your sauce is slowly coming together, guys. Now, if you feel like it's too thick, which I feel like it is right now, I'm going to add some more milk, okay? So there we go. The milk helps, guys, because remember too, you're going to want to have a lot of sauce to cover your cauliflower here. And we got some more cheese we can put in too, okay? So we're going to want to make sure that we can make all these onions nice and brown. So we got to mix it all up, guys, okay? And it's gonna give the dish a very nice taste, you know? We're gonna just caramelize these onions here. And it's looking really good, guys. Okay, and this dish, guys, you guys can make, but the hardest thing I would say of making it is the prep work. So you guys just have to put some time aside, and you just gotta prep everything up. Okay, so what we got here, everything's on. Perfect. Okay, we just put this down to low, and we're gonna let it simmer and melt everything in. So it's looking good, guys. Just gonna mix this here. Perfecto. And you know, it's really fun when you do multitasking. You're just, you know, steaming some vegetables there. You're cooking, you're frying here, and then you're making the dish here. So you sort of have to keep an eye on the whole creation. Anyways, guys, now I got some spices into the mix. So I got this one is parsley, so I'm gonna add the parsley, guys, in here. And you don't need too much, but I really like my parsley, so that's good. Also, guys, we can do a sprinkle on top of the cauliflower after, so remember that. I'm gonna add some pepper, guys. Pepper is the key. Every dish should have a little bit of salt and pepper. Okay, nice. I'm gonna add some salt, guys. Not too much, just a very pinch, okay? So I'm gonna pour it in my hand first, guys. And after that, just very little, guys. Put that in, nice. Back here, guys, and we're gonna check here. This is looking good, guys. It is getting nice and golden, guys. So it is good. And we can pretty much now say we're done with cooking the onions. So we can kill the heat on that. That's where you want it, guys. And now we're gonna put some nutmeg inside. So this nutmeg, we're not gonna put too much too, guys, but the nutmeg really brings out the flavoring. So I'm gonna put you guys could put just a pinch of that in there. Just a pinch, perfect. And we can add more to see how it tastes after. But I really feel the nutmeg and the pepper, it's a nice combination, okay? So now we're gonna add the rest of our cheese, guys, in here. We're just gonna make it nice and cheesy because I know to all my cheese folks out there that like cheese, guys, you know, coming along. And I did add another cream cheese to it. I added the cream cheese with the garlicky and all the spices, so I think that one's a nice one because it does have some pepper in it too. So we're mixing that. Everything's starting to melt. We're looking good. We have the onions here. We're gonna gradually add some onions into this dish here. And then we have our cauliflower. It is almost done, but we have the cauliflower that was done from before. So everything is looking good, guys. We're gonna want to keep stirring this up. It is thickening up. I'm actually gonna add a little bit of more, I would say, to be honest, some parsley. I'm gonna put some of that in because I wanna have a different kind of color. I want some white sauce, but I wanna make it vibrant. There we go. We're gonna wanna stir that up. And you guys can add dill if you want to. I got some dill. I'm gonna add some of that dill in too, because that dill, it brings it to life too. So I'm gonna put some of that dill seasoning. Perfect. You're gonna want to keep mixing, guys. It's coming along. It's thickening up. We're gonna add a little bit of more milk, guys. Nice. And it also evens out the sauce so we can have more sauce to put on our cauliflower. So that's looking good. The onions, they're looking good, guys. And pretty much now it's just a waiting game on when everything is ready, okay? So we just want to keep mixing, and we're going to gradually put the onions in here, and then we're going to put this sauce on top, drizzle it around. And we're also going to have a little more cheese on top. It's going to be some cheese that they put on pasta sauce. So it's going to be Parmesan, and we're going to sprinkle a little bit more of parsley flakes. So I'm gradually adding the onions from this dish here into the white sauce. Okay, and I got a new spatula here. It's really nice. I like it. It's a silicone spatula, and it really gets all of the cheese off the side walls, and it makes it very easy when you pour it out on the cauliflower. So there we go. We're making this nice sauce. It's coming along, and it sort of looks like a mushroom sauce too. If you guys want to add mushrooms, go ahead. You know, you can add whatever you guys feel that will be really good. So I'm gonna keep mixing this up. It is coming along. We're gonna turn down the heat on this because I don't want it to get too high. If you keep boiling it, pretty much it's gonna be okay. You're gonna see bubbles, but you don't want any cheese to like pretty much stick to the sides and burn. So you just want to keep stirring it up, guys, so it's nice and warm. And here we got our cauliflower. It's coming along. It's almost done. And we can add a little bit more of our onions. Perfect. Okay, guys, it is looking good. It's gonna be a nice dish for, like, you know, Christmas, Thanksgiving, or just an ordinary day, guys, or like just a nice party or something. You know, like, people are gonna say, wow, I love this dish, how did you make it? You know, it's a nice dish that a lot of people just don't know how to make because they're just not that skilled. But anyways, guys, I don't think it's skilled too. It's more of like, you guys need to just cook. You guys gotta experiment. You know, you guys just gotta be out there, because if you're not cooking, then you never learn. It's like if you're not gonna ride a bike and you never rided a bike before, then you're never gonna know how to ride a bike. So that's the thing, guys. That's what I'm saying. You just gotta get out there and start cooking. Okay, we're gonna get back to the video when everything is done boiling up. Okay, guys, so we have our cauliflower. It's nice and steaming. We got the 2 trays here. And we also have our nice white sauce that we made with onions. And after that, we're going to do a nice sprinkle with Parmesan on top. And we're going to do parsley sprinkle on top too. So I can't wait, guys. It's going to be amazing. You know, this is my all-time favorite dish. So right now I'm going to be pouring it. It's kind of hard with one hand trying to film and pour, but it's okay. I will make it for you guys. Okay, that is looking really good. So we're gonna want to split it pretty even, guys, just so we can have an equal amount on both sides. And that's why I like the spatula here, because you can really gather everything up and you can get all. So we're back now. I just finished pouring all the white sauce in, and now I'm just gonna spread it out nice and evenly. Oh, look at that, it's a nice creamy sauce, and we're just gonna want to spread that very nice and even. So this side has more cauliflower than this side, but that's okay, because at the end of the day, it's the same dish and it's gonna get eaten up pretty quick. I'm gonna spread that up nice. Perfect, guys. And next thing now, we're gonna get some Parmesan, guys. So, and I like to sprinkle it over top, okay? Nice. And I'm gonna sprinkle it over top too. And you guys can also add some bread, kind of like, so you toast bread, you cut it up in squares and sprinkle on top too. It's pretty much what they put in salads, and that'll be perfect on top. And you guys, if you guys want to bake it again, go ahead. You guys can make it more crispy and all cooked if you want that kind of thing, you know. But pretty much, guys, it is good to eat for now. You just get it, put it in a bowl and eat it, and then you can store it in the fridge, and every day you can take whatever you need out, warm it up in the microwave, or the, I would say, there's another one, guys, out there. Or you can warm it up in the toaster oven or air fryer, whatever you guys want to do. There's so much gadgets out there, guys, I can't keep track. But yeah, warm it up every day and enjoy it. You know, all this hard work will pay off because you have something you can eat on the go pretty quick and easy, and it's nice and healthy, guys, too. It's healthier than a burger. I'd say that for sure. So you're just sprinkling all that all this parsley on top, and take your time, guys, no rush, just shake it all out, and once you're happy with a happy amount, then that's good. Okay, there we go, guys. Thanks for watching my video, and hopefully this helps. Click the thumbs up button and make sure to subscribe, because we have more cooking videos coming out too. See you in the next video. Bye.